Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this 2021 Chevy Sonic key fob here. You don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery in the description, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is turn this key over like this to the back, and right here you need to remove this piece, this whole back piece. And the easiest way to remove it is just take the small flat screwdriver and right here, insert the tip right here, only the tip, and now push up. And when you push up this way, you can very easily remove the full back piece. Alright, and when you remove it, right after that here, you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery again, it's very easy. Just take the tip again with the small flat screwdriver, insert it here, and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just insert your new battery, and also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. So this step here is very important. And now when you insert your new battery over here, just take now this back piece, make sure you align it perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly, and just snap them together, just like this. And when you snap them together, right after that, your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful, and take care.